Today, I want to talk about net zero energy building and how they play an important role in energy systems. Everyday buildings use a lot of energy to control the temperature and humidity of rooms, keep the lights on, power the electric devices, and heat the water. This heavy energy load can be provided from grid electricity, fossil fuels, or renewable energy resources. Now, what is important about buildings and their energy? It is now corroborated that the world's buildings account for a large share of global final energy use, which for more than 35% and nearly 40% of energy-related carbon dioxide emission. This overview of the key findings underlines the major role of buildings in effectively addressing climate change and shows the need for stronger building codes. Therefore, taking an action on building is an important means of reduction in global emission. By building to the net zero energy building, it is possible to cut the energy-related greenhouse gas emissions. So, how can we achieve net zero energy buildings? First step to design a zero energy building is to reduce the energy consumption by increasing the energy efficiency of building. In order to increase energy efficiency, we need to consider many techniques from the designing point of building to energy users' behavior. By considering energy efficient technique in design like high quality insulation, exterior shading, and heat recovery ventilation, buildings are able to reduce heating and cooling energy by 80 to 90% in comparison to conventional house. Second step to zero energy building is to install renewable energy to support the energy demand of building. The amount of energy demand of building can be balanced by renewable energy on site. When the conditions are not suitable for energy generation, the building will import energy from electricity grid to meet its demand. On normal conditions, the renewable energy system supply the building's need and export the surplus energy production to grid. Therefore, during a period of time, buildings send as much as energy to grid as it receives. There are more definitions on net zero buildings. First definition is net zero energy emission. The carbon emission generated from on-site or off-site fossil fuel are balanced by the amount of on-site renewable energy production. Another definition is net zero energy cost. In this type of building, the cost of purchasing energy is balanced by income from sales of electricity to the grid. This building status depends on how the grid credits net electricity generation. Zero energy buildings are more comfortable as you can breathe cleaner air and feel more comfortable temperature. They are reliable because the renewable energy provides the energy all over the year and seldom fail during weather problems. They are reasonable as the construction and operation costs are affordable. And they are sustainable while they are environmental friendly buildings which benefit the world and us.